Hello everyone. Today I'll show you how to delete your SoundCloud account using your web browser. First, go to deleto.app. There you can find the guide for SoundCloud and follow the step-by-step instructions with me. Let's begin by going to soundcloud.com and signing into your account. I've already done that. At the top right, click on the three dots, the menu icon, in the corner of the page, then select Settings. In your Settings page, scroll all the way down until you find and click the Delete Account button at the very bottom. On the next screen, you'll be asked to provide feedback. Check the boxes for the reasons you want to delete your account and provide a brief explanation in the text field where required. Finally, confirm your decision. Select Yes, I want to delete my account and all my tracks, comments, and stats, and click Delete my account. Important: deleting your SoundCloud account is a permanent action. You will lose all your uploaded tracks, comments, stats, and followers. And that's it. You've successfully requested deletion of your SoundCloud account. If you change your mind or accidentally deleted your account, there is a short window of time during which you can recover it. Learn more in the SoundCloud Help Center. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to check out deleteo.app, where you'll find easy guides for deleting your accounts or downloading your data from different apps. You can also find your accounts using your email, phone number, or username, and check if your data has been leaked.